In this video, I will show you how to add or change Facebook login email address. To start, you can open your Facebook application like this. Then to go to settings, first you tap the hamburger menu in the bottom right corner. Then either you can just tap on little setting icon or just tap settings and privacy. Then select settings at the top of the list. Now you have to select Meta account option. If you don't have this feature, you can update your Facebook application. Here, I will show you two different methods. As the first method, you can select login and security. Then select the first one, contact info. Then you can add new contact by clicking this blue color option. For the second option, just tap on your email or phone number. Then select default contact info. After that, you can see all your contact information. To add or edit, just tap this blue color option, add or edit contact info. After tapping, you will get this page. Here, select add new contact info. Now in the pop-up window, select add email. Then you will get this window. Here, you have to enter your new email ID. Like this, I will type. Then after typing, just tap the next button to verify your new email ID. Facebook will send you one-time verification code to this new email ID. So you have to go to that email ID. Here, since I provided Gmail one, I will open my Gmail application. Then if you refresh your inbox, you can see there is a new email from Facebook or Meta. So you have to open that email. Then you can see there is a one-time verification code. You can copy this code to the clipboard like this. Then you can go back to your previous window. Here you can paste the code. Then tap the next button. Then you can see your email has been added successfully to your Facebook or Meta account. So if you want to remove your old one, make it default contact. This is how to do that thing. Just select Meta account, select default contact info. From here, you can see all your email and phone number. Just select the email address that you want to log in. Then it will be your new login or default contact info. So is there any update? You can find the updated video link in the description, or you can click this end screen videos and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.